Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a flat workspace and the materials. That saves mistakes later. First, measure your watch face or strap width in millimeters so cuts match. Next, mark a 60 mm wide base strip and a 30 mm tall backing. Adjust to your measurements. Cut along your pencil lines using a steady hand and a sharp box cutter. Make multiple light passes rather than one deep slice. Once done, you should have a clean base strip and a backing piece ready to assemble. Now you cut the support shapes and create the holding slots. Score the cardboard where each fold will go so the material bends crisp without tearing. Then cut 2 parallel slots sized for your strap thickness, about 20 to 25 mm apart for most watches. Fold the backing up to form a right angle stand and slide the strap or cradle into the slots to check fit. Make sure to adjust slot width. A snug fit prevents wobble before you apply any adhesive. Finally, glue the folded parts together and reinforce stress points. Apply hot glue along the seam where base meets backing. Press firmly for 10 to 15 seconds until set. Once assembled, place the watch in the cradle and check viewing angle and stability. Adjust by trimming the base or adding a small rear brace. For a clean look, wrap exposed edges with tape. If the stand wobbles, add a tiny triangular support under the base. That one fix usually cures balance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.